Hello students, in this video we'll see how can you make PDF of your classwork. So first of all you have to install an app, go to Play Store, simply search Adobe Scan. I recommend you to use this app because this is very user friendly and a very reliable app. So just simply download from there, open it. Now take pictures from your class notebook like this. You can adjust the pictures also. Similarly for the next page, just simply click on here. So now you can change chapter 3. Let's suppose your name is Mahi. Mention your admission number 5372 like this. Save as PDF. Next step is you have to make link of this PDF. So for this, just click on more, copy to Google Drive, save it. Now go to Google Drive, just simply search Drive. Here you can see this PDF. Just download it. Now this will get uploaded in your device. Here we have our PDF chapter 3 Mahi. Click on it. Click on manage people and links. Go on restriction. Anyone with the link. Click on this anyone with the link so that everyone can see through this link. Now go back. Click here. Copy link. This is how can you generate link for your PDF. In next video we'll discuss how can you upload your homework in Campus Pro.